traders, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Monday, October 26th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. First trade we took in no particular time order was, this is actually the same trade. We took this, it made up to 8 or 10 ticks. We had the news coming up, so I said if it doesn't follow through, move your stop up. So it was either 8 ticks or break even. And then when it re-triggered again after the 10 o'clock, we popped that again, and it made up to 25 ticks straight up. Okay, straight up. And that was a really nice trade in the gold. In the ES, we got short. I called a power play at 34.1750. That was on the 10:30 candle. Straight down, no heat. And the trade hit all of our targets. 07.75, which was 10 points away. And then 97.75 actually went lower, but nobody was still in. So we actually took an exhaustion long here. But this trade basically made 20 points to our target here. 20 points pretty much straight down. A little bit of a retracement, which we talked about. And then I offered people who were not in, if they wanted to take a trade here, I said it might be good for 2 or 3 points. It was going to be crucial that they sustained above 3,400, which, was not guaranteed because we were in a big downtrend with some bad news in the market. But temporary exhaustion where we could pick up 2 or 3 points here, which we did. 33.9775, and it went up almost 4 points actually. There, again, no heat, straight to profits, and that was a nice trade. And then in the Nasdaq, we took an S play in the Nasdaq, which was a really nice trade. That was at 10.6550 on the 10.09 candle, and that trade went up almost 60 ticks. 60 ticks, boom. And we talked about this the whole time we got in here. I said we would do it one time, and the market would really have to prove that it was going to go higher because it looked pretty weak. So we did do that, made up to almost 60. When it came back down and then came back up again, didn't do anything. I said I want to see, this is going to be crucial whether or not they're serious about taking it up. Otherwise, we would get short. They dumped it. We did get short, and on the Nasdaq, and that was at 635 here. No, not 635. We got short at 663 up here on an understanding trade, and literally there was no heat, never came up to our entry. Boom, all the way down. And again, I had targets of 620, and then I said it would go down to the below 600 to 590s, and then I said they would blow out the bottom, which they did. And again, most people were out at this point. This trade literally went from 660, over 800 ticks. I mean, it was just a sick trade, but not everybody got all of that. Obviously, they were out. And then we took a long death candle trade, and that was at 461, and that went all the way up 100 ticks right here, 100 ticks, and that was the last one we took in the Nasdaq. So no losing trades today. We had some monster trades up to 100, up to 60, several hundred ticks down. Again, never came back to our entry. 20 points down, never came back to our entry. We knew this one was going to be against the trend, only a couple points potentially, and 25 in the gold. So we are going to come back and do it again tomorrow. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Bye-bye.